we're going to write the equation for the inverse of sine of x, then graph the function and its inverse. So the first thing we're going to do is switch the x and the y. And basically to solve for y, we take the inverse of both sides. And when you do f inverse composed with f of x, that should equal x. So in this case, this is going to equal y. So we have y equals inverse sine of x. Alright, and I went ahead and took the liberty of graphing. This one is restricted, so we're taking the inverse. This is y equals sine of x. The domain got restricted from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And then I went, for the parent function, I went from negative 1 to 1. And then for the inverse sine, I merely switched my domain and range. So now my domain is negative 1 to 1. So that would be your domain. And your range, because they switched, their range is now negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Okay, that's all. The next one we're going to do is the inverse of tangent. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.